Hello everyone, welcome to ACE Online. So ACE Online and ACE Engineering Academy, we are coming with the new initiative, Daily Current Affairs Program. So we have already done 2 sample videos to check with the students. So on 11th and 12th of this month, that is January, we have uploaded 2 videos, right? So there is a slight modification. We are going to have a regular program for Daily Current Affairs. We'll discuss what are all the elements involved. Let's see the first thing about the initiative. You may ask, what is the actually initiative? The initiative is this: there will be a daily current affairs analysis in our YouTube channels across the platforms that we have. This will be helpful for all the competitive exams. See, current affairs is one of the most or having highest weightage in the competitive exams, either in terms of prelims exam or mains exam or even in interviews. If you are attending any UPSC exams like civil services or engineering service exams and any other defense related exams, you will have a lot of discussion with the panel members. See, the first question when I have attended the interview in 2019 UPSC, so the first question asked by the panel member was, have you read today's newspaper, right? So my interview was very early morning and I was a little bit stuck without reading newspaper. So that's how the importance of current affairs in our all competitive exams, including the interviews, right? So here we will be having a detailed discussions about daily news for all the competitive exams conducted by all the boards covering UPSC, Staff Selection Commission or state PSCs or any other exams. We will have a detailed discussions in the sessions on regular basis. So the issue is this: the current affairs, all the current affairs will have a broad criteria in terms of analysis, in terms of factual things. If you are writing some higher level of exams like UPSC, you will have more analysis. And if you are writing a little bit lower exams, you will have more facts. So we will be covering all the analysis as well as facts in this sessions on daily basis. It will be useful for all those who are preparing for government exams and interviews across India, right? So this is about the initiative. Now, what we will cover, as I was telling already, so it will be an issue based. Issue based means what? For example, there is an issue related to India and Maldives recently, the controversy. It is an issue. That means not only fact, you need to understand what is actually the issue, what is the solution for it, how we can take this forward, or you can take some factual based contents like who invented this or what has happened recently or what is the date of any specific theme. So there will be a lot of facts. So we will be covering all the issues, analysis as well as the facts, right? So the broad plan will be like this. We will first focus on the issue based. For example, if you have started watching today's video, I'm taking just example. So it will be starting from 18th January on regular basis. I'm just taking example if there is a video today. So in the first half of the video, there will be more analysis, issue based discussion, and at the end of the session, we will have a factual based content as well, right? So that is the first objective of the session. Then one-stop current affairs preparation for all the competitive exams. So as I was promising that we will be covering all the facts as well as analysis, it will be a one-stop solution for all the competitive exams. Then news coverage. So from which sources you may cover, you may ask that from which sources you will be covering, sir. So we'll be covering almost all important newspapers such as Hindu, Indian Express and government website, that is Press Information Bureau. So whatever the ministry that gives details every day that will be posted by the government in Press Information Bureau, will be collecting all the information that is relevant for our exams from Press Information Bureau, PIB as well, and other national newspapers. If there is any relevant article and which was not mentioned in Hindu or Indian Express, we will also cover those news in the videos, right? So this is about the initiative. Coming to the platform, so you may ask where we can watch it. It will be on YouTube live. On sample basis, we have uploaded the recorded ones, but now it will be YouTube live. And if you miss the YouTube live, it can also be available in our YouTube channel itself in the connecting platform. Whatever the platforms that we have, we will be putting it in recorded format as well. You don't need to worry, but I suggest to attend you on live basis because you will be discussing the MCQs. Also, if you don't understand, you can post a comment there on live and I'll be addressing the parallelly, right? So you don't need to worry about missing some doubt, something like that if you are attending on live. So it will be on live as well as in recorded format in our YouTube channel. then it will be free for all. So there won't be any charge. So that is the aim of ACE Academy, that to focus more on the poor students. So we have come up with this initiative that will be free for all. And the timings, every day it will start from 5 p.m. on all working days. So you should note one point here. So it will be available on all working days. That means Monday to Saturday, except on Sundays and public holidays. So sir, we may miss those current affairs on Sundays and public holidays. So how can we cover those? We will be covering on those next days, like if you are missing on Sundays. So there won't be any session on Sundays. So it will be covered on Monday. So Monday will be a little bit more lengthy session because we need to cover the issues or news on Sundays as well. And the same with the public holidays. If you are having public holidays, for example, 2 consecutive public holidays, then we will have the same thing will be discussed on the next day. So that will be a little bit lengthy session. So you don't need to worry that we are going to cover every day. Even if it is public holidays, we'll be covering on the next session. So don't worry that you may miss something, right? Medium will be English, of course. So the medium of the discussion will be solely on English. We will be discussing everything in English. Can ask live doubts. So as I was telling that if it is a live sessions, so we'll be posting quizzes as well, and it will be released in the comment section. So you can also answer the MCQs, and you can also ask doubts. We'll have a discussion type of things rather than one side teaching. Rather we will have a discussion based understanding, right? So that will also be beneficial for you. Then how to utilize the program. The most important thing among the students is that they give up in between. So not only preparing for exam of specifically of UPSC or any other competitive, it won't be a, consistency is very lacking among the most of the students. That's why the competition among the exams, only first 20%, 30% of the students. If 1 lakh students are writing, only 20%, 30% students are more serious. So it will be useful only when you are consistent. You need to be very consistent and disciplined in the preparation. First, how to use this program? First, you understand the issue. Most of the students, again I'm telling this, they will mug up the facts in the last 15 days, 20 days before the exam. They will take some compilation and they will mug up the things. In the exam, you will confuse and you will choose the wrong options. That's why the negative scores are more in these days for the students who prepare in a quick sessions. So that should not happen. You should understand the issue, why this has origin, how it is going to affect India, what is the solutions for it. Understand the issues first. When we are discussing it, you understand the issue, then focus on factual factual elements as well. In our discussions, we will have where it has happened and what is the agreement, what is the name of the country. So there will be facts as well. Along with the issues, there will be facts as well. Of course, in the exams, they will also ask facts. So after understanding the issue, along with the understanding the issue, you can also remember the facts. Okay, so that is the second step. And third step is make a short notes. When you are watching the video or after completing the video, you can identify some facts which may not be able to remember for longer time. So keep a separate book, note down those facts, put the heading of this particular day. So note down those facts and be ready with the quick revision notes. 15 days, 20 days before the exam, you can just open and you can revise those facts. See, don't worry about the issues. If you understand the issue at one go, in the particular day, you won't forget it. That's the beauty of understanding the issues. You won't forget it, but facts you may forget. For that, you need to make a short notes. That's what I was emphasizing. And we will be posting the quizzes like 5 to 6 questions every day from the discussions that we are having from current affairs. So you can also answer, test yourself whether you have understood it properly, you have remember the facts properly. If not, you can revise those things and you can watch the video again, right? So this is the strategy for you to how to utilize this program, right? So thank you, and we will be starting these sessions from 18th January on regular basis. Be ready with this, and I hope you will be ready and be active in these sessions. Thank you.